Hello, welcome to Tie to the Cloud channel video on YouTube. My name is Andrew Alton, and I will be with you to introduce AWS Community Builder. Hello, my friends. We're talking about one of the cool services or feature from AWS, and this is specifically for those who want to start AWS journey. Now, as you know, AWS has a lots of documents, lots of uh, groups and community, but here we are introduced the best one, and we will see that how it's going to be work for those who want to start AWS journey. Okay, let's start. I'm going to give you what do we need. We need to type AWS Builder, and I will promise to you I will put URL, all of the URL in the video in caption for you, so you can use it after that. Now, what is AWS Builder? It's basically, I think, consider as social community in the AWS world. You can find lots of items, peoples, talk to them, chat to them, and find of lots of more. Let's see that how it's going to be work. If you have, or if you had before account, you can use it here. Otherwise, you need to sign up. When you sign up, because I was signed up, you see, it doesn't ask me a username password. Now, what you can see in the left pane, there are lots of items you can find, like toolbars, capabilities, workshop, events, and I guess this is need to be another video explained to you how it's gonna be work for all of items, which is I will promise you. I will make another video for you guys, explain to you in details. But for now, today we are just review that what is that and how it's gonna be work. Let's say, for example, we want to talk about the S3. You know that S3 is one of simplest services in AWS for storage. And what you can see, articles, witches, builders, and you see lots of community. There are lots of items you can see, and peoples actually. Let's click on this, and like I said, it's exactly something related to social. You can find lots of people. It is a cool items. I suggest you if you want tie to that and try to find options, people's, event, and more. Next items, I'm going to talk. Let's bring that the new one. AWS skill builder. So let me try to, let's try to load it. Okay, that was good. Again, I believe I am logged in. Yes, I'm logged in. Now, what is this? This is skill builder and very good for those who want start trainings, or maybe they want to have some information about some services. Like, for example, I want to know how is or what is the AW, or sorry, let me just stop. Amazon API Gateway. So, say introduction to Amazon API Gateway. there is 10 minutes in English and talking about that. It's talk about that. Or if you want, if you're going down, you can find there are lots of certification domain. Let's say I want to see about cloud engineering, ops cloud engineering, and it's give you lots of options, sessions. For example, this one, it's about 19 hours and 40 minutes in English. It's a fundamental. Uh, for some of them, you can gather score. Some of them needs to be pay for that. However, most of them are free and it will be work for you if you are started your journey in AWS world. It's a very cool options. Try to use that and uh, find information what you need about AWS. Next items, it's a funny game. Well, it's game, but AWS. Uh, what is that? Quest, I guess. AWS Quest game or something like that. It is AWS Quest, and I'm pretty sure if you're savvy tech guy like me, you remember something like GTA. You remember there was a game, it's called GTA, and I believe it's the same concept. How it's going to be work. You're going to be in a game in the city and chatting and talking with the people. People give you scenario based on AWS. And what do you need to do? You need to go and resolve troubleshooting and solve problem with the AWS scenario that those people gave it to you. It's a very funny game. Well, it's not good graphical game such as the real game, but it's a very funny game. Now, there are benefits for this. Actually, you can earn the badge for cloud practitioner, and you have lots of services. There are basic services here, as you can see, and you can work with them. For the other services, professional services, you need to subscribe and pay for that. However, again, for those people they want start journey in AWS world, it's a very good options. Last items, I want to talk about something fun. Again, it is Twitch. It's Twitch TV. Maybe you know, or maybe you know, Twitch is belong to AWS. AWS has a Twitch TV. Twitch mostly used for game streamer. I'm pretty sure if you have child at home, you would be familiar with this. People they are streaming the game online, and other people they're gonna be see that watch them. Now, the other side of Twitch, you can find other people start uh, channels like YouTube, and as you can see, you can find AWS and AWS Training Live. How it's going to be work? You need to find AWS, and here you can find lots of, let me try to mute this. You can find bunch of options for community training, preparation for certificate, discussions. They invite lots of people from AWS, and it's a very cool feature if you want to familiar with AWS environment. And I'm really suggesting you if you can use it. They have every 1 month, 2 months, probably event talking, and it's a very funny tools. Okay, now I guess for today that's enough. I just introduce these 4 application or services. Please try to use them. If you have any question, any problem, please comment on the video and share this video with your friend. Thank you very much. See you on next video.